Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make these Powerpuff Girls cupcakes. Awesome! Start with some ivory fondant icing and roll it out flat. Next, get a cookie cutter to cut out a circle. Do a few of these. Now let's get some yellow fondant icing and roll it out, cutting a circle. And then making an indent on each side. Cutting that out. This is going to be the hair for one of our Powerpuff Girls. Excellent. Now get a smaller piece of yellow fondant icing. Make it into a kind of teardrop shape. We want 2 of these. And stick them on top of each side of the hair. Brilliant. Now get some white fondant icing cut into a small circle and use water as glue to stick on a smaller circle of blue fondant icing. Then more water to stick on an even smaller circle of black fondant, and finally, a little bit of white. This is going to be the eye. We want 2 of those. Get your ivory fondant circle, paint some water on the top and stick on the hair. And then stick on the eyes. And finally, a little fondant mouth. Let's get some black fondant next. Working on our second character's hairline, cutting out a circle. This time we slice the top off and then carve a triangle in the middle. Then slice each corner of the bottom part. Get your ivory fondant, using water as glue, stick on the hairline. Then the smaller black hair pieces are stuck on the underneath of each side of the face. Now let's make our eye with a white circle of fondant. Green this time. Black for the pupil. And white for the shine. 2 of those go on our face. And a little mouth. And our second character is ready. Let's go for orange next for the hair of our third character. Again, cutting out a circle, slicing off the top. This time we're going to cut 3 small triangles into that to make a hairline. 1 in the middle and 1 on each side. Perfect. Let's cut out an extra piece. That will be the ponytail. Get some red fondant. Cut it in half. Place it back to form a bow. Using water as glue again. Stick on a little piece in the middle. Excellent. Now get the ivory fondant face. Stick the hairline on. Pop the bow in the middle. And the ponytail. Brilliant. Let's go for the eyes. Red. Pupil goes on. And the shine. 2 of those. And a smile. Now get your plain cupcake and pipe on white buttercream icing. Sticking on your character face. Get your kids involved, cutting up the fondant. They're going to have a great time. It'll be just like Play-Doh, only you can eat it. And you get these amazing, cute Powerpuff Girl characters. Just look at that. Now all that's left to do is enjoy.